Really it's about uptime for plants. That's one issue that hadn't been addressed until now, and it really translates into the potential for having to do maintenance on the modules and reducing or impairing the capacity of a plant for a certain amount of time. So if you can address that and come up with ways to remediate it quickly, that leads to higher uptime. And our goal is 99 to 100% uptime for our system. So what we did, working with our membrane manufacturer, equipment maker, Microdyne, is we came up with a module design where the sides are taken off. So we have 120 flat sheets that make up a module. The sides were taken off, and really it didn't impact the capacity of the performance, but what it did is it allowed for cleaning from the top a little more quickly than before with the steel sides on the module or the box. So it basically increased the reliability of the system, and that's what we're going for. The other technology that we offer is a pre-designed MBR in a steel tank called MicroBlox. These systems actually range in size from about 5,000 gallons per day to 100,000 gallons per day, depending on the wastewater strength or loading. At Ovivo, we actually look at the best technology for the application. That actually applies to the membranes as well. So for MicroBlox, we've actually moved to what's called silicon carbide membrane technology, different than polymeric. It's better suited for high solids applications. The packing density is a little bit higher than for polymeric. The fluxes, or the amount of water that a membrane can treat per area of membrane, is actually quite a bit higher for the silicon carbide, and it's easier to maintain or service in the event of sort of worst case conditions. They are standardized to a degree. They're also customizable to match site conditions, so you can actually go to microblox.build and build your own MicroBlox pretty easily. Come up with the dimensions, the specifications for a MicroBlox system that would meet the needs of your project. And from there you can get in touch with your local representative. So for the MicroBlox systems, we actually build those in Austin, Texas. Our factory there can not only build the tanks, but assemble the systems so that they arrive on site really plug and play or ready to operate. There is some assembly required, but I think we can deliver systems faster than other companies out there. Really quick delivery is one of the main advantages of the MicroBlox system. That's only possible through standardization. We use the same components on whether it's the small unit or the large unit, and those components are readily available and in stock, and that's really important for the small package type system. So in terms of what differentiates MicroBlox, I would say there are some proprietary technologies that make up the MicroBlox that enable it to treat more wastewater than other systems in the same footprint, so it's more space efficient. We can also deliver it very quickly in about 12 to 14 weeks, and that's generally much faster than other options out there in the marketplace.